Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our cargo lamp assembly for the 77 to 79 Ford trucks. Want to add that finishing touch to your 77 to 79 Ford truck? Our Reproduction cargo lamp lens and bezel is the answer. It is the perfect fit for your 77 to 79 truck. It is designed to match and fit just like the original. The plastic bezel is chrome plated and has a black accent just like the original and will restore some shine to your pickup. You will enjoy the clarity of a brand new lens, enhancing the lighting of your cargo area. Our cargo lamp comes complete with the mounting hardware for a trouble-free installation. So if you're restoring a 77 to 79 Ford pickup, our cargo lamp assembly will be the perfect finishing touch to your project. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.